Gregor Mendel, a 19th-century Austrian monk, is best known for his groundbreaking work on pea plants. His experiments with pea plants led to the discovery of the fundamental laws of inheritance. Mendel's work laid the foundation for the field of genetics and revolutionized our understanding of how traits are passed from one generation to the next. Mendel's most famous experiments involved crossbreeding different varieties of pea plants and meticulously recording the traits of the offspring. Through his observations, Mendel formulated two key principles, the law of segregation and the law of independent assortment. These principles explain how traits are passed down from parents to offspring and laid the groundwork for modern genetics. One of Mendel's most significant findings was the concept of dominant and recessive traits. He observed that certain traits, such as flower color or seed shape, would appear in some plants while being absent in others. Through careful analysis, Mendel deduced that these traits were controlled by paired units of heredity, which we now know as genes. Mendel's work on pea plants demonstrated that traits were not blended in offspring, as was commonly believed at the time, but were instead passed down in a predictable manner. His findings challenged existing theories of heredity and provided a new framework for understanding the inheritance of traits in plants and animals. Despite the significance of his work, Mendel's discoveries were initially met with skepticism and went largely unnoticed during his lifetime. It was not until the early 20th century that scientists rediscovered Mendel's experiments and recognized the profound implications of his findings. Today, Mendel is celebrated as the father of modern genetics, and his experiments with pea plants continue to inspire and inform genetic research.